Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. AstraZeneca has announced positive Phase 3 results for gefurulimab in generalized myasthenia gravis. The self-injectable C5 inhibitor achieved statistically and clinically significant improvements in symptoms after 26 weeks. It could offer a more convenient alternative to infused treatments like Soliris and Ultomiris, bolstering the rare disease franchise acquired from Alexion. Guselkumab, TREMFYA, has been approved by the FDA for Crohn's disease following results from the Galaxy 2 and 3 trials. The interleukin-23 blocker showed superior endoscopic healing and sustained symptom remission compared to ustekinumab and placebo, making it the first interleukin-23 biologic to outperform another leading agent in head-to-head trials. Johnson & Johnson has submitted a supplemental biologics license application to the FDA to update the TREMFYA label based on new data in psoriatic arthritis. The APEX Phase 3b trial demonstrated significant inhibition of joint structural damage and reinforced TREMFYA's dual-action mechanism, targeting interleukin-23 and CD64. Sun Pharma has released top-line results from the INSPIRE-1 and INSPIRE-2 trials evaluating Ilumya, tildrakizumab, in psoriatic arthritis. The therapy met its primary endpoint, ACR20, in both biologic-naive and biologic-experienced patients at 24 weeks, with no new safety signals. These data support Ilumya's expansion beyond psoriasis. Bristol Myers Squibb's oral TYK2 inhibitor, Sotyktu, deucravacitinib, has been accepted for FDA review for psoriatic arthritis, with a PDUFA target date of March 6, 2026. Positive results from the POETIC PsA1 and PsA2 trials showed significant improvements in joint symptoms and sustained response over 52 weeks. Johnson & Johnson has submitted an NDA for icotrokinra, a once-daily oral interleukin-23 receptor blocker for moderate to severe plaque psoriasis. Data from 4 Phase 3 ICONIC trials confirms superior efficacy over Sotyktu, positioning icotrokinra as a potential new oral standard in interleukin-23-driven diseases. GSK has signed a multi-program partnership with Hengrui Pharma, acquiring global rights, excluding Greater China, to up to 12 clinical stage assets in respiratory and immunology. This includes HRS-9821, a dual PDE34 inhibitor in development for COPD. GSK will pay $500 million upfront, with total deal value reaching up to $12 billion based on milestones. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.